How to make clove water for face, clear skin in 7 days. Are you struggling with acne, dark spot, oily skin? This clove water for face will change your skin in just 7 days. Clove is one of the most powerful natural ingredients for clear skin. In this video, I will show you how to make clove water for face at home using a simple method that actually works, and the best part, you have this ingredient in your home. Clove water applied topically as a toner acts as a potent natural remedy for skin health, primarily due to its high content of eugenol. This active compound eugenol treats acne, reduce inflammation and redness, minimize dark spots, stimulate collagen production for anti-aging, and regulate oil production for a clearer complexion. Now let's talk about the key benefits of this toner. Acne control. Its antimicrobial and antiseptic properties help combat acne causing bacteria while eugenol reduce swelling. Key benefit number 2. It reduces dark spots and scars. It helps fade acne marks, dark spots, and even out skin tone, improving overall complexion. Key benefits number 3. Anti-aging effects. Clove water stimulates collagen production and combat free radicals, which help reduce the appearance of fine lines and slow down aging. Benefits number 4. Clove water soothes inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritated skin and reduce redness associated with active acne. I think my previous video, Clove water changed my skin in 7 days, will explain more about this. This is what my skin used to look like, and clove water helped me so much. Like, when you know, clove water is like, it's like gold. It used to be worth more than gold in the 16th and 17th century, so I can call it that. It's when you start using clove water, you will understand, like, oh wait, what has been happening? Where have I been that I didn't know that? It's just such an eye-opener. Clove water, I use clove water for like 100 things. We'll get to that. I can make videos about cloves, and I will have like 1 million videos on my channel, and I will still be making more. That's how effective and amazing clove is. Key benefits number 5. Tighten pores and reduce oil production. Clove water used topically acts as an astringent, which controls excess sebum production, tighten pores, and reduce the frequency of breakouts. Welcome to Etta Beauty. My name is Rachel. Over here we glow and grow. We're making a 100-gram batch. In a jar, I am going to put in 7 cloves. Whenever you pick up your cloves, please always get the clove that is complete. Now I turn that in there, I put in distilled water. I'll cover that with a cling film because the lid is metal, so it doesn't rust inside. I set that aside for 24 hours. 24 hours later, I'm going to filter that and we'll proceed with our business of the day. As I'm filtering, I'm going to check how much of that liquid I have to see if the clove ate the water. But clove doesn't eat too much of water, so I think we are good. I put 65 grams. I then got 64 grams. That is beautiful. So I turn that in another jar, and then I'm going to rinse it. Apart from rinsing it, I'm going to put in water to dilute the concentration. That is how you do it, so it doesn't irritate your skin. Now, this ingredient that I just put in, which is vegetable glycerin, is actually optional, but it is very important. I put in liquid German Plus, which is a broad spectrum preservative. If you don't have preservative, you're going to store this in the fridge. Back to the importance of glycerin in this, which is optional. If you don't have it, it's fine. It makes this less volatile to very sensitive skin. You know, for those people that have very sensitive skin. Well, as you can see, I turn it into a spray container, which is my favorite to use when it comes to toners. So this is our beautiful clove water. Beautiful clove water. So if you want to use this, I'm using a spray bottle. If you don't have a spray bottle like this, you could just put it in a cotton pad or a cotton wool and apply it all over your face. Go in with your serum if you have, and then go in with your face cream. If you don't have a serum, just after the clove water or clove water toner or clove toner, just go in with your moisturizer, that is your face cream. So, but for me, I always use it. I prefer it in a spray bottle like this. So this is how you just go, just all over your face. You just spray it. It's beautiful. It's lovely. Eugenol will eliminate the acne causing bacteria. It will prevent acne. It will kill acne. Go ahead, check my other videos. I have a video how to make rice and clove toner for face, get glass skin in 7 days. Honestly, watch that video. If you love this video, that video is very important. You will also love that one, and you will learn so much from that one. How to use clove even after your period, how to use clove at night, how to drink it, how to use it topically. I have all those videos on my channel. I will link them in the description box so you can go check it out and just understand so much about cloves. Try this clove water for face for 7 days and see the difference. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, click the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.